In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make doors in Roblox Studio. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step is to create two parts with names like door and door frame. Select the door frame and within its properties, enable the anchored behavior. In the Explorer, hover over door frame and add a new attachment to door frame, and repeat the same with the door object. Rename the attachments to indicate what they're attached to, like this. Afterwards, move the attachments by going to View, Constraint and Details in the Model tab. Turn on Constraint Details and the Explorer, click Frame Attachment again. Press F to focus on that attachment and zoom in if needed, and use the Move tool to position the frame next to the door. Repeat the same for the door attachments, and the attachments should be positioned on the surface facing the counterpart, so they should be aligned like so. Afterwards, select on the frame attachment and notice the yellow arrow to determine its axis. Make sure it is properly lined up with the door. You can rotate it if needed by turning on snapping in Model and Snap to Grid and checking the rotate value to check if it's set to 90. Use the rotate tool to orient both of the yellow arrows to point them upwards. Afterwards, just add a constraint by selecting door frame and adding a hinge constraint. In the constraints properties, find attachment 0, click the empty box right of the property, and then select door attachment. Repeat the same process by connecting the attachment 1 to frame attachment, and they should appear like so. Afterwards, you can test it by opening close to the door. I hope I was able to help you on how to make doors in Roblox Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.